Hello friends, welcome to Secret of Electronics. In this video we will learn how to interface a common cathode RGB LED with the 8089S52 microcontroller using embedded C programming. The circuit diagram shows a 8089S52 microcontroller based RGB LED controller circuit. The 8089S52 microcontroller is powered by VCC and GND connections, and a reset circuit is implemented using a 10 kilo ohm pull down resistor and a 0.1 microfarad capacitor with a push button to reset the microcontroller when pressed. A 11 MHz crystal oscillator with two 220 picofarad capacitors provides the required clock signal for the microcontroller. The RGB LED has three separate current limiting resistors R2, R3 and R4 of 220 ohm connected to the P2.0, P2.1 and P2.2 pins of the microcontroller respectively. These pins control the red, green and blue channels of the LED, allowing different colors to be displayed based on the programmed logic. The EAVPP pin is connected to VCC, enabling internal memory use. The circuit allows the microcontroller to control the RGB LED by outputting different logic levels on port 2 pins, creating various color combinations. I have created this circuit on a 0 PCB. However, if you do not want to use a 0 PCB, you can also build this circuit on a breadboard for easier prototyping and modifications. The given embedded C code is written for the 8089S52 microcontroller to control a common cathode RGB LED connected to port 2, P2.0, P2.1, P2.2. The code starts by including the header file, which contains definitions for the 8051 based microcontroller. The RGB LED pins are defined using S-bit directive, where P2.0 controls the red LED, P2.1 controls the green LED and P2.2 controls the blue LED. A delay function is implemented using nested loops to generate a approximate delay. In the main function, a infinite loop continuously cycles through different LED color combinations. The program turns on the red, green and blue LEDs individually, followed by magenta, red plus blue and cyan, green plus blue. The final state turns off all LEDs before the cycle repeats. Each color transition has a 250 millisecond delay to create a visual effect. This simple code effectively demonstrates how to interface and control a RGB LED using the 8089S52 microcontroller. Now open the Kill UVision software. After opening Kill UVision software, go to project and create a new project by clicking on New UVision project. After clicking on it, give a name to the project. I am naming it main, but if you want to give it a different name, you can do so. After typing the name, click Save. Next, we need to select the microcontroller. Type 8089S52 in the search bar because we are using the 8089S52 microcontroller. After searching, you will see 8089S52 in the list. Select it and click OK. After clicking OK, click Yes. Next, move the mouse cursor over target 1 and right click on it. Now you will see options for target 1. Click on it. After this, go to the output section and select create hexa file. After selecting it, click OK. Now move the mouse cursor over source group 1 and right click on it. After this, click on add new item to source group 1. Select C file and give a name to this file. I am naming it main, but if you want to give it a different name, you can do so. After typing the name, click add. Now copy and paste the embedded C code, which you can download from the link provided in the description. After pasting the embedded C code, save the C file. After this, click on the translate option. Once the translation is complete, click on the build option. Now go to your Kill UVision project folder. Inside the project folder, you will see the objects folder. Open this folder and you will find the main.exe file. We will upload this file to the AT89S52 microcontroller using a Arduino Nano board as a ISP programmer and AVR dude. If you do not know how to upload the code to the AT89S52 microcontroller using AVR dude, you can watch our tutorial by clicking the I button. Now we need to connect the ISP pins of the AT89S52 microcontroller to the ISP pins of the Arduino Nano board. Connect these pins according to the circuit diagram displayed on the screen. Now before programming the AT89S52 microcontroller, make sure the Arduino ISP program is uploaded to the Arduino Nano board. I have already uploaded it to my Arduino Nano board. Now connect the Arduino Nano board to the PC using a USB cable. After connecting, open CMD and upload the hex file to the AT89S52 microcontroller using AVR dude. You can watch our full tutorial on how to upload code to the 8051 microcontroller using AVR dude by clicking the I button. Now connect all the components together according to the main circuit diagram which we discussed at the beginning of this tutorial. I have already connected all the components to a 0 PCB according to the main circuit diagram. I just need to connect the RGB LED to the PCB. Now you can see that the RGB LED is changing colors according to the embedded C program. If you liked this video, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch our upcoming interesting tutorials.